Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling or disabling the print preview feature in your Epson printer settings. So print preview, it's a very common feature that most printers have. They've had them for a very long time. And basically the print preview just allows you to see how the document's going to appear before you actually print it. So it'll show you different formatting, text, images, just kind of how the whole document maybe comes together. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that preview on or off. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to set your view by in the top right to Category View, and then select the Hardware and Sound entry. Select Devices and Printers, and now select the Printers and Scanners option in here, and select the Epson printer that is installed on your computer. Go down to the Printing Preferences button and open that up. And now there should be an option underneath Quiet Mode that says Print Preview. You can either check mark that on if you want to enable the Print Preview, or uncheck it to turn off the Print Preview. And then you would select Apply and OK to save that, and then that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.